Welcome to MSL Park Motors Mercedes-Benz. Today I'm going to give you a tour of a 2014 Volkswagen Golf Trendline that we have in stock. This car was ordered with the 1.6 turbo diesel engine. It's probably the most popular engine in the range because it's very fuel efficient and very powerful at the same time. We also just had an NCT carried out, so it has a new NCT until March 2020. Means you're not going to have to spend any money for a long time. Car is also very fuel efficient, so your road tax is very low too. Alloy wheels are 16 inches in size. You also have mud flaps on the front and on the rear. This is the 5-door model. As you can see, it has privacy glass in the back windows. That means that the cabin will stay much cooler, and if there's anybody in the back seats, they'll be a good bit more comfortable than if it wasn't there. You have 3 full-size seatbelts. There's ISOFIX points in place as well for child seats, along with a row of headrests as well, so it's nice and safe. Apologies if the camera's a bit shaky. It's freezing cold here. At the rear, it's quite slickly designed. To open up the boot, you turn that Volkswagen symbol up. Huge amount of space, and the seats will fold as well, 60-40, so it's very versatile. It's probably one of Ireland's most popular cars, the Golfs, and you can see why. Even though it's a smaller car, it feels like a much bigger car, and it's very, very comfortable. So have a look inside. The seats are very comfortable. They're two-tone as well, so that keeps the interior nice and vibrant and bright. On the driver's door, you have your electric mirrors. They're also heated, which is great on days like today. If I get the key here. The car has 86,829 kilometers, so it's very low. Just turn that air down. You have your radio stations can be controlled through here. Your volume on that dial, and you can skip up and down the band manually or use your presets, depending on how you like to do it. The car was also opted with a Bluetooth kit. Once your phone is paired up to it, you can navigate through, I guess, your phone book or miss and received calls, just using
settings.
That, and to answer and reject the calls, green button or red button. You also have air conditioning. You can control the amount of air that comes out on that dial. It's the temperature over here. I have it wound up for the day that's in it, and also where you'd like the air directed to via there. You have your manual gearbox in place, and quite handily, the car also has an automatic hold handbrake. What that means is when you come to a stop, the handbrake will apply itself automatically, and when you go to drive off, the handbrake will release itself. So it saves you faffing around with lifting the traditional handbrake up and down, so it's a really nice touch. You also have a sliding front armrest. Inside there, another big cubby hole as well. This car is available at the moment. If you'd like to organise a test drive, please do give us a call. Our number is 01 869 1000, and we'll be delighted to help you out. Thanks for watching.